to another episode of, should we call this an episode at this point? Because we've been exploring Africa, we've been exploring Ghana, and Charlie, let's think of a name and brand this series. Anyway, so I found myself in Sirigu Art and Pottery, and I want you to come along with me today. Let us explore what happens here. Let's find out what happens and jump into this video. And come on, there are people who work here. Amazing things happen here. It is a secret. Let's go and discover for ourselves. So. So, first up, I want to find out what happens here. I see some women painting, and there is someone who is in charge of everything. So he's going to be taking me through what happens here, and I know you want to learn. Don't be curious. Slow down. But come on, mommy. How are you?
How are you?
You good? You good? Hey. Hey. What are you doing? So what happens here?
Okay. You're most welcome. This is Sirigu Women Organization for Pottery and Art. They do a lot of activities, basket weaving, pottery making, and then painting as well.
Okay. So
they are making canvas painting.
Canvas painting, eh?
Yes.
So how come they have art background? Were they taught how to paint by? What happens here? Like, what led to the organization startup?
It was even in this community for 1,000 years.
1,000 years
ago, but this organization was founded in 1997.
What's the name of this organization?
SOPA. Sirigu Women Organization for Pottery and Art.
Oh, so someone came up with the name and then
yes, Madam Leni Kasisi. She's the founder.
Yeah.
She's an old educationist, and then she benefited through art because the mother was a potter and the auntie was a potter.
Okay.
And through that, she had the benefit. After her retirement, she came back and mobilized with these women on the arts like basket weaving, pottery making, and painting as well.
Oh, so this center is to train the women or what?
Yes, it's to train the women and to give them more training to improve upon their artworks, the quality of their pottery, the quality of their painting, and then their weaving as well, to generate income for the women.
I see. Okay, so mommy, I want to paint some. I want to do some.
It's all about that.
Oh, come. So what we'll do some, man. You do some and I'll do some. But what is she drawing? Basket. Oh. So okay guys, we are drawing basket, But this is one activity you can do when you find yourself here. When people come, they're allowed to draw.
Yes, they have a workshop. They paint with the women.
Oh.
And they can also mold pots with them. They can sing and dance and have fun.
So that means I'm going to be dancing with them today.
Yes.
Hey, mommy, they said we are going to dance. Dance. Shake. Let's hear. Shake it for me.
We are making the artwork. After that, then they can have some break, dance, and then.
Okay. So guys, you heard it for yourself. You have to stay to the end of the video to see at what point that we are going to be dancing. But now it's time to paint. So, So when you do it, then I'll put it here. And what is she also doing? Oh, that looks like a donkey. Okay, so I'm also going to apply some here. Oh, so if you want to come and experience this for yourself, please, you are welcome. Come here and then come and explore. Oh, nice. All right, and the works that come out of this place, do you sell it? What happens to the end product?
Yeah, those who have come today to make a workshop with them, paint with them, weave with them, or have pottery work with them, they can take their artworks along.
Oh.
But those who doesn't take part in the workshop can buy them from the gallery.
Okay, this look like something I've painted already, even though I know I didn't paint, but like, can I pretend like I painted it and then take it away?
Yes, so it can be dry and you can hang it in your room to have a feeling of what? Sirigu painting.
Alright, so let's move to the next destination.
Okay.
And then see what happens there.
Okay, yeah.
So we are the next stop, and this place is for basket weaving. What happens here?
Yeah, this is a number of group also. That's why I said some are into basket weaving.
Yeah.
Some are also into pottery, and also some are also into painting. As well.
Okay.
So these are some of the them who are making the basket weaving as well.
Okay. Wow, she has a lot of skills. Eh? Can I join you to do it?
Yeah, I think position.
I can do some. How? Show me how it's
So
done.
baling one down.
One down, one up. Hey, is the same thing that keep going?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, hold on though. Wait, that thing, you are doing it too fast. This one.
Yes.
Then it goes down here.
Yes.
Then it comes up.
Yes.
Then this one goes down. I should take this one. Hey. So how long will it take you to make such a basket?
Then I make a home pile that I want.
How long will it take you to make a basket like this?
Basket.
About 4 days.
4 days for a wool basket. Wow.
Depending on the size.
Depending on the size. So what will be the size of this basket? Let me see. What will be the size of this basket?
I can't buy one.
Can I fit in?
Yes.
So I can get inside. Should I get inside right now? I thought there's a basket that will carry me. So when you find yourself here, basket weaving is one activity you can also do. Apart from the painting, you can also do basket weaving, and they are glad and happy enough to take you through the whole process of how basket is made, and probably this could be another business for you. Who knows? How long have you been doing it?
Oh, la paliente.
Your whole life?
10 years.
10 years. You've been doing it for 10 years. You like it? It's good.
Yes.
If it's good, like you like it. All right, thank you. Give me a. All right. Okay, so what happens here too?
This is pottery.
This is pottery.
Pottery, yes.
Okay.
And it is made out of clay.
This is so this is all clay work.
Clay work, yes.
Oh wow. You have a lot of skills, eh? Mommy, what do I have to do? I should come over there. Okay. Hey, So I'm about to.
So you roll it like that.
So
Just do it like this.
why do they put it here? So I should keep rolling.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay. Now I should put it here.
For easy movement.
Okay.
They always put those things down for easy movement.
Okay. Oh wow. Charlie, we are making our pot too. Oh. Interesting. Okay. She has brought the pot back to life. Is it nice? If it's nice, give me a yeah. So where is this place? What happens here?
This is our guest house.
This is our guest house.
Yes. So
Should I call it our guest house now?
yeah. That's super guest house.
Super guest house.
Yeah.
Okay. How many rooms does it have?
We have 4, 2 beds each. We have AC rooms too, and then the fan rooms too.
Okay.
And we have a dormitory which contains about 5 beds when you are in a group or a family.
Okay.
And most tourists come, they want to stay in the rooms, they want to have a feeling like how we always sleep outside.
Yeah.
So we mount some mattresses for them, and then we have some mosquito nets.
I was definitely going to ask about mosquitoes, because if you're asking to sleep outside just like that, then mosquitoes will be a problem too. So guys, you've come to here for yourself. Do your best to visit. And how do people contact you? Do you guys have Instagram? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Facebook?
We are on Facebook.
You're on Facebook?
Yes.
Okay.
So people contact us sometimes when they need our decorations to be decorated in their walls.
Oh, so wait, will you guys do decorations like this on people's walls?
Yeah, if you have your building and you are interested in our decorations, you can invite us.
Okay.
So we moved to Kumasi, to Accra, any part of the country.
Oh.
Even about 5 years ago, we were at the Netherlands.
Wow.
Yeah, to make this decoration on their walls for them.
Oh, wow.
So we move around.
Okay.
And then our baskets too and our pottery, we export them too as well.
Okay, so a wall like this, let's say if I want something like this in my house, how much do you think it will cost me?
Yeah, it depends.
I live in Kumasi.
You live in Kumasi?
Yes.
We have to consider either you will take the transportation cost.
Okay.
There may be the accommodation.
Okay.
Probably maybe the feeding.
Okay. And then
are you going to buy the paint and only do the work?
Oh,
or we are going to buy and do the work? So it depends.
Okay.
So we have to negotiate. And then come out with it.
But I hope you guys are affordable.
Yeah. We are affordable.
Alright, so guys, what I'll do is I'm going to leave your information in the description box below, and then you can do your best to contact them. But before we go, do you guys have any motivation of the colors that you use for your painting? Is there any story behind it? And then the artworks, I see crocodile, I see snakes, I see women on the walls. What is the story behind it?
Yeah, well, the symbolic meaning of these patterns on them is that, for example, the cowl that you see on the walls, it is symbolizes wealth. In those days, when you have a lot, you marry many, and then you have a big family. You can sell and get money, you are rich and you are wealthy.
Right.
The python serve as what? Protection.
Okay.
The crocodile serve as savior.
Okay.
And then we have the fish, happy home. And then a lot.
They just go on
and on. And then the decorations to the designs on the walls. For example, I just want to show you one particular and explain just a bit about it. We have this one, Akunyana Ni. These women have not been to school, but they're creative.
Okay.
So Akunyana is somebody's name, but Ni means a lot of cattle. So they always go in the uniform manner, in the line form. So in those days, so they say, oh, look at the way these animals are following each other. Let's make a design of that.
Okay.
So they have come out with that. And they said once one among them leads them out to graze and brings them back. So it means that animals have leaders. What about we human beings? If we are 2 or 3, then we must have a leader. So this design symbolizes leadership. So each and every of these designs you can see on the walls have got its meaning. And the animals on them.
So right now, I've traveled all the way from Accra to come to this place, which is Upper East Region, after Bolga, Sirigu, right? What would be my design? What kind of pattern will you create for me?
It depends.
So tell me now. I've told you the story.
For me, I think you select the cowl. Wealth.
Ah.
Or
Hey,
you
I have money. I have money already. I have money already. Yes.
There's a lot of importance in about the animals. They don't. That's why you don't see any elephant. You don't see any maybe a lion or other things on this thing.
Okay.
You have this significance, and we want to depict the indigenous way of life in the people of Sirigu.
Sirigu. Okay.
Sirigu.
Okay.
Because nobody would like to have not a big family. May not like to have money. So all the animals have got it for even the horns they use for glue, the cardon for plastering of the wall. So it is a lot.
Right.
So when you have a lot of cattle, then you can.
Okay. So guys, if in case you are building your house and you need a beautiful design like this, you see how beautiful the houses look. If you want something of this sort, please do your best to invite them. I'm going to leave their information in the description box below. But they are available to travel from wherever they are in Sirigu to your location, wherever you find yourself in Ghana or any part of the world. They are ready to come and do this amazing work. However, if you also want to come here for your personal experience, which they are open to. So if someone is interested in coming here, is there a gate fee that you have to pay? Do you guys charge for visitors or something?
Yeah, we have a fee.
A fee, okay.
A fee, and we call it a community contribution fee.
Okay.
Once you have come to see these beautiful things, maybe at least to also practice with them and have some few photos and other things.
Right.
We leave something small behind for the women to keep the place nice and moving so that the art doesn't die off.
Oh, okay. So it's just a way of giving back to them.
Yes.
All right, guys. So you've heard it for yourself. Do your best to visit. And what's the name of this place again?
SOPA. Sirigu Women Organization for Pottery and Art.
Sirigu
Women Organization for Pottery and Art.
Okay. And what's your name again?
Mark Kasisi.
Mark Kasisi. Alright, so it has been amazing doing this episode, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you find yourself anywhere in Ghana and you want to visit this place, they are ready to accommodate you. You are ready to accommodate them,
yes,
right?
Please.
At any time.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Storytelling. Okay. A lot of things.
Do you do by the fire as well?
Yes.
We do the by the fire here.
Yeah.
You tell them stories. Okay, so if you want to hear all the old
drum music. Oh, drumming and dancing.
I want to spend the night, but I have another place to go, so I have to show them more.
Okay.
So the next time I come, we'll do the sleepover, and then we'll
experience a lot.
We'll experience a lot. We'll sit on top of the roof and also watch the sky.
Yeah,
okay. All right. So guys, it has been amazing. Do your best to leave a comment in the comment section below of the next place you want to see me visit, and I'll do my best to cover it. But it is Fredrick Dahe, your beautiful, honest, and heartwarming. I mean, how should I even describe myself? But guys, until we see you then, bye.